poppin'? Welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell from the title, I'm doing a jasmine inspired ponytail type of thing, you know. Back at school I actually did this style a while ago. I didn't have a chance to record it because I was busy, you know, with school and stuff, but now I have the time and I'm going to do that for you guys. So I'm starting off with semi blown out hair. I didn't do anything so crazy because I'm trying to like not use too much heat, but I used my ghetto hair dryer. I put it on like medium heat because my hair is dry, and then I also used this olive oil sheen stuff. So for this, I feel like I'm all over the place. Okay, I'm gonna be using the edge booster, and I'm gonna try to use the beeswax, and then I have my dirty hard bristle brush. I'm just gonna take a section and back, kind of tie the rest of it up at the top of my head. Taking the edge booster. This is coconut banana. I don't know why they thought of coconut and banana together. Anyway, so I'm just putting it on here. So my hair actually is well at laying pretty flat and straight, even if the products I'm using does have like a little bit of water in it. You know. Also, make sure you get underneath too, because you don't want the back of your head to be all greasy and everything else is smooth. Like, you just want the texture and stuff to match everywhere. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with peas, but if the front of your hair is slick and stuff, the back of your head should be slick too. Taking my brush. Well, no, I should brush under first. And then I'm gonna take this and then I'll just take this rubber band. It's really hot in here. And then you just take some more hair and you just do the same thing. And then I'm just taking out the ponytail that we already had. And we're just gonna be adding the hair into the ponytail. I wish I could find one of my actual hair ties instead of this rubber band. I found one and it's black. Perfect. So I decided I don't really like the way that the beeswax is working, so I'm gonna do the edge booster, and if I don't like it that much, then I'll just go back to the beeswax. But this is the edge booster, like the smaller edge control actual thing, so maybe it'll work better because, you know, they are from the same, they're from the same brand. So oh yeah, use the edge booster big thing, the edge booster thing, because yeah, definitely. Okay, yeah, so this is the combination I'm using for the rest of this video. Let me just close this up. We don't need you no more. Okay, we're back in business. So even though my hair is just like going back, like there's no part or anything, I'm still doing a little swoop because I don't want it to just be like straight back. I want a little swoop in it, and then the middle can just go back. But the sides, I want a little swoop. Okay, so first thing, sorry, someone's outside mowing the lawn or cutting weeds or something, but it's really hot and I don't want to close my windows. Second, while I was recording, my phone ran out of storage, so I had to hurry up and delete some stuff, and so I had to hurry up and put this, my little scarf type thing on to hurry up and lay my hair down before it like started curling back up. So you guys didn't see how I did that, but I just put it on and tied it in a bow. And before that, I just tried to brush out some of my edges so that I could do those as well. Again, sorry you guys weren't able to see that, but you know. Oh yay, she stopped. Okay, so now I'm just using the edge booster, edge control on my edges, and I'm also gonna mix it with the big jar. I'm taking, I don't know what this stuff is called, but you guys know what it is, right? What the hairstylist put on your hair. I'm gonna put that on my edges. So I'm using the Xpressions Ultra Braid 1B hair. Yes, y'all, I finally got some new packs of hair. This is the hair. It's super long, but you already know that's how I do it. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best to keep this as untangled as possible because this hair can get tangly pretty fast. And then I tied my hair up in a little bun. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little rubber band that's already on it and just tie it around my little bun. And then I just flip it over it. And now I'm going to take a strand. So now I'm just going to take this and clip it out of my way. Like that. What's all that noise for? Okay, anyway. So I have that clipped out of the way and I have this over my hair. So it's kind of like a ball already. And so I'm taking my little rubber bands, go over it easily. I'm just gonna fold the hair a little bit. Like that. And then I'm just gonna take my rubber band. See? Like that. Just like a little ball around there. Double tie it. And bring the hair through it again. now it's probably looking a little crazy. So I'm going to take my bobby pin and I'm going to pin both sides of the hair under it. So take my bobby pin and push it through. And it's like that. Next one, I think I want it to be like right here. So again, I'm folding up the hair so that it doesn't get as tangled and it's just like faster to go through. And to it like right here. Twist it. And then bring the hair through. And then I'm just gonna keep doing that all the way down. Okay, so I bubbled it all the way down to the end. And now I'm gonna take this strand I had out and I'm just gonna wrap it around the base. And then I'm also going to, doing this because my storage is running out. But I'm also going to fluff up each of these bubbles so they're rounder. So when you next see me, it's all going to be rounded and bubbly. And this is going to be wrapped around, and then I'm just going to take a bobby pin and bobby pin it. So I wrapped the hair around and then I put like 2 bobby pins. And then I just kind of fluffed out my things, and I just did that. And for the ones where the rubber band wasn't tight enough, I would just, you know, twist it again and I just tie another knot. You know how I had to fold it again, and I would just tie another knot to make it tighter. So before I was rudely cut off by my phone, I was explaining how I was using my ghetto hair dryer to finish drying out my hair, so that when I take it out, it's all, you know, sleek and slick and done, or, you know, whatever. So now I think it's time to take it out. Okay, so for the edges, I am going to cut this off. Okay, the edges are free. I'm just gonna add some of this sheen oil, you know, just to get that out. Okay, I'm now taking off the rest of it. I'm nervous. I am nervous. Ooh. Okay, so this is the finished look. You know, make any adjustments you need to. If you need to bubble some more, do that. That's what I did, just until I really liked it. So of course, y'all know me, I need to go get some video outside for you guys. So that's what I'm about to go and do.